Welcome back to our TrendHarvester Pro series. In our previous videos, we've seen the Setup Wizard, Configuration Manager, and Analytics Dashboard in action. Today, we're diving into the complete menu system by running the main application launcher, run.py. Let's see what TrendHarvester Pro's main menu offers us. Here's the TrendHarvester main menu, your command center for all automation tasks. Let me quickly walk through what each option does. Option 1. Set up Google API credentials. This runs the Setup Wizard we covered in Video 1, handling your new API keys and Google Blogger authentication. Option 2. Launch Blog Engine. This is the full automation mode we demonstrated in Video 2, where TrendHarvester generates and publishes content automatically. Option 3. Preview mode. Same as Option 2, but shows you the content before publishing, perfect for quality control. Option 4. Analytics Dashboard. This launches the web-based dashboard we explored in Video 3, showing your blog's performance metrics. Now, let's focus on the features we haven't demonstrated yet, the Revenue Calculator, Post Scheduler, and Backup Manager. Let's start with Option 5, Estimate Revenue. This is incredibly useful for planning your blog monetization strategy. Perfect. The Revenue Estimator is asking for key metrics to calculate your potential earnings. Let me walk through each field. First, it asks for estimated monthly visitors. Let's say we're targeting 50,000 monthly visitors. Next is the estimated CTR click-through rate. For a well-optimized blog, to 2-3% is realistic. Let's use the 0.5%. Average CPC cost per click in dollars. This varies by niche, but let's use 30 cents for our example. Now for affiliate conversion rate. What percentage of visitors buy affiliate products? Let's be conservative with 1%. Finally, average affiliate commission per sale. This could be anywhere from $20 to $100 plus depending on your niche. Let's use $50. Look at these projections. The calculator shows AdSense revenue, $37,500 monthly, affiliate revenue, $25,000 monthly. Combined potential, $60 to $500 monthly. This gives you a clear picture of how different revenue streams contribute to your total earning potential. The affiliate component often far exceeds ad revenue when done right. Next, let's explore Option 6, Schedule Posts. This is where TrendHarvester Pro really shines for hands-off automation. Here we have the content scheduler with several options. Let's explore Option 2 to customize our posting times. I can see it shows the current default times, 9 o'clock, 13:30, 18 o'clock. These are spread throughout the day for optimal engagement. Let's customize this for a different strategy. Maybe we want posts at 9 a.m. and 8 p.m. to catch morning commuters and evening readers. Perfect. The system confirms our new posting schedule. Now our content will be automatically published at 9 a.m. and 8 p.m. daily. Notice the other options available. Option 1 starts the scheduler with your current times. Option 3 lets you run a post immediately for testing, and Option 0 returns to the main menu. This scheduling system runs in the background, continuously, monitoring trending topics and publishing high-quality content at your specified times. It's like having a content team working around the clock. Finally, let's look at Option 7, Backup Blog Data. This is crucial for protecting all your hard work. Watch as TrendHarvester creates a comprehensive backup of all your important data. Notice it shows a warning about a missing file. That's normal. The system only backs up files that exist, so optional files won't cause issues. Excellent, the backup is complete. It created a timestamped zip file containing for essential files, your configuration, content database, analytics data, and other critical components. Now let's take a look at what was actually created. Here in our TrendHarvester directory, you can see the backups folder that was created. And here are our backup files. You can see the timestamped zip files, including the one we just created. Each backup is a complete snapshot of your TrendHarvester setup. The file sizes show how much data you've accumulated, configurations, published content, analytics, and performance metrics. You can easily extract these anywhere, move them to cloud storage, or keep them on external drives for safekeeping. If you ever need to restore your setup on a new computer or recover from an issue, These backups contain everything you need. You start with the Setup Wizard option 1 to configure your APIs and blog connection. Use the Config Manager and Blog Engine options to 3 to generate and publish your initial content. Set up your posting schedule option 6 for ongoing automation. Monitor performance with the Analytics Dashboard option 4. Calculate revenue potential. Option 5 to optimize your strategy and protect everything with regular backups option 7. This creates a completely automated blog empire. TrendHarvester handles trending topic discovery, content generation, SEO optimization, publishing, and performance tracking, all while you focus on strategy and growth. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips for using TrendHarvester effectively. Start with Preview Mode option 3. When testing new niches or configurations, this lets you review content quality before automating. Use the Revenue Calculator. Option 5 to compare different niches and posting frequencies. Some niches have much higher earning potential. Set realistic schedules. Daily posting is great, but ensure you have sufficient API quota from News API. Create backups before major changes, new niche configurations, API updates, or system modifications. Monitor your analytics regularly. The data helps you understand which content performs best and guides your niche selection. And that's the complete TrendHarvester Pro menu system. From setup to automation to revenue optimization, everything is accessible through this clean, intuitive interface. TrendHarvester Pro gives you enterprise-level blog automation in a simple, user-friendly package. No monthly subscriptions, no complicated interfaces, just powerful automation that works. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more automation tutorials and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy blogging!